Dude! Lamarr Wilson. How you doing? Good to see you. Lamarr Wilson here, back for another video. Today is Monday. I did an unboxing of the season 1 box. Oh my, okay. Like really. By the power of grace, that's the He-Man for the honor of Grayskull. That's She-Ra. Okay. Anyway, let's see what they sent me here. We'll start with the, okay. We'll start with the letter. For the honor of Grayskull, Dreamworks and She-Ra Princess of Power is back for second season premiere exclusively on Netflix, April 26th. Y'all put this out the same day Endgame, but okay, it's on Netflix though. So like once you finish watching Endgame, you go watch She-Ra. Okay, I see you. So first thing, this bag is not a toy. I do what I want. Okay, but yeah, they gave me one of these in the last box too. If I can remember. I swear, I feel like I had the same problem in the last video. They sent me a tiara. Why didn't I open this in the beginning of the video? It was buried way in the bottom. You should put this first. It'll make the video so much better. Oh, okay. So did it stretch a lot? You know, I'm putting this on. I don't care what anybody. Okay. You know what? I am a pretty. Hold on. Okay, I'm going the wrong way here. I am, ooh, is it matched? Okay, it's not matched up. Ooh, I am a pretty princess already. I'm feeling it. So, they gave me some brown paper. It's not the same as bubble wrap, but like, get out of here. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, I got something. Okay. Whoa. I know it look, you might say that look girly. You think I care? It's 2019. I do what I want. All right. It's for the honor of Grayskull. And it has She-Ra on the back with her winged horse. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm going to take it out the plastic. This has sequins. it actually, okay, yeah, yes. I obviously cannot sleep on this, but this is, oh yeah, this is all sequenced right here. Oh yeah, because if you, let me show you why. If I do like this, it's solid gold. Okay, but if you put it back, then look at that magic. Like, oh, I can play with this like all day. Ooh, did y'all send my size though? Cause I don't know. No, oh no, I ain't getting in this. Let's see. It don't even say the size on here though. Ooh. Okay, so how about I just try? Holy crap, I actually fit in it. I know my light's a little brighter. That's why I don't wear white much, because now this is shining bright like a diamond. Rihanna. And what is this? Let me just say for the record, I'm not putting these on because I'm not showing y'all my feet, because some of y'all be like, okay. Oh, that's cool. They have like little capes on them. Wow. Okay. So yeah, and these are small too. Yeah, my feet ain't getting in. They can get in this part, but like down there, that's a little bit too small. But that's cool. It has a cape. This is made by Mattel too. I'm just reading the back of it. And so that's the sock. And yes, just imagine me with them on, because I'm not putting them on. Okay, I lied. I put them on. Yeah, they're cool. And a little cape on the back. I had to. They're definitely not my size. They're small up there, but I had to put them on. Now y'all can do all these little foot videos like, oh, look at Lamar's hot foot. Ooh. Okay, something I know must have been driving you crazy for the last few minutes. This was crooked a little bit. So I just noticed it in the camera, and it feels off here, but it's supposed to be here. So I know like some of you, why is my sock? Listen, Dreamworks, thank you for sending these out. Obviously, it's a promotional box to let you know that the show's coming. I don't mind promoting it because I really like it. Like, I liked season 1. I had my doubts, of course, like everyone else did, but it turned out to be like a really good show, and the voice acting is great. Listen, season 3, I got a voice. Don't you imagine this as one of the crazy monsters that are in the horde and trying to beat She-Ra. Can I voice something like with this voice here? I just think it would be fun. So thanks for watching. God, I can't give these socks away now because they be like, we saw that video. Your foot was in there. No. Talk to you soon.